First, wet your hands with water. Is apply enough soap to cover all hand surfaces. Rub hands pan to pan like this. Next is right palm over left dorsal with interlaced fingers and vice versa, like this. After that, palm to palm with fingers interlace, like this. This is back of fingers to opposite palms with fingers interlocked, like this. Simple rubbing of left thumb club in right palm and vice versa, like this. Simple rubbing backward and forward with claps finger of right hand in left palm and vice versa, like this.
Ano ba? Nakutay na ako na?
Hands with water. Then dry thoroughly with a single use top towel. Then after that, use a towel to clean up the pocket. Then